Good morning students. Today we will study Unit 1 Lecture 8 of Organic Chemistry. Reactions of amines. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Substitution occur at ortho and para position. At ortho position and para position. Ortho means 1,2 position is ortho and 1,4 position is para. Because electron density is maximum at ortho and para position. This is due to sharing of lone pair on nitrogen with the aromatic ring. Hence, density on the ring increases, which facilitates attack. Thus, NH2 group is ortho and para directing and a powerful activating group. So, this we have seen. This we have seen in the last lecture. So, we have seen the resonating structures also, and there we are seeing that at ortho and para position, electron density is maximum, and so electrophilic substitution is taking place there. Electrophile is positively charged, and if negative charge is there, then positive charge attacks on negative charge. Hence, amino group is ortho and para directing and a powerful activating group. Bromination. Aniline reacts with bromine water at room temperature to give white PPT of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Here this is aniline, bromine, water. We are getting 2,4,6 tribromoaniline is formed when aniline reacts with bromine water at room temperature. If the reaction is going on, then it is 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. To get monobromo compound, if you want monobromo compound, NH2 group is acetylated before bromination. That means aniline is acetylated, means acetyl group is added there, and then bromoacetanilide formed is then hydrolyzed to give parabromoaniline. So this is aniline, this is acetyl chloride, CH3COCl acetyl chloride, and here your acetylation takes place and you are getting acetanilide. On benzene, NHCO CH3 acetanilide is formed, and then on bromination you are seeing in para position bromine is substituted, then hydrolysis you are getting parabromoaniline, and this is forming acetic acid and you are getting parabromoaniline. So if you want a monobromo compound, then the group is acetylated first, then on bromination is done, then hydrolysis is done, and you are getting parabromoaniline. Next, second reaction is nitration. Nitric acid is not only a nitrating agent but also a strong oxidizing agent. Hence, direct nitration of aniline leads to oxidation of ring, resulting into formation of tarry product. Black products are formed. So, it is forming a tarry products means black compound we are getting. Hence, before nitration, aniline is acetylated to protect the NH2 group. So, first we are doing the acetylation is done with acetyl chloride. The acetanilide obtained is on treatment with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid gives ortho and para nitroacetanilide, which on acid hydrolysis gives ortho and para nitroaniline. So you know that aniline is giving ortho and para product. Aniline in the presence of acetyl chloride, we are getting acetanilide. On the benzene ring NHCO CH3, that is acetanilide. Then acetanilide with nitrating mixture, nitric acid and H2SO4 is known as nitrating mixture. Then you are getting para-nitroaniline, para-nitroacetanilide, ortho-nitroacetanilide. Then on hydrolysis you are getting para-nitroaniline and ortho-nitroaniline. So once more, aniline when reacts with acetyl chloride, in the presence of base you are getting acetanilide. This acetanilide in the presence of nitrating mixture we are getting para-nitroacetanilide and ortho-nitroacetanilide. This on hydrolysis we are getting para-nitroaniline and ortho-nitroaniline. Para-nitroaniline is the major product. Next reaction is sulfonation. Aniline on reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid form a salt. Which salt? Anilium hydrogen sulfide. So anilium hydrogen sulfide is salt is formed which on heated at 475 Kelvin gives sulfanilic acid. This sulfanilic acid exists as zwitterion, a dipolar ion. So zwitterion means it is a dipolar ion, is known as zwitter ion. So this aniline in the presence of sulfuric acid, anilium hydrogen sulfide is formed. This is heated at 475 K to give sulfanilic acid. In para position to aniline, if it is sulfonic acid group is there, then it is known as sulfanilic acid. This sulfanilic acid exists as zwitterion, that is dipolar, it is existing as dipolar ion zwitterion. So this sulfonation of aniline will give you zwitterion of sulfanilic acid. Then coupling reaction. Aniline undergo a coupling reaction with benzene diazonium chloride to form a orange red dye. So this is benzene diazonium benzene, aniline undergo coupling reaction with benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene ring, azo group, N double bond or N triple bond, N is known as azo group. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with aniline. On benzene ring, NH2 is there. Here also hydrogens are there, but we do not show here. It is understood that here also hydrogen groups are there. When benzene diazonium chloride reacts with aniline, we are getting para amino diazobenzene. So in the para position, we are getting amino group is attached to the azo group. So it is para amino diazobenzene. In para position, this is para position, 1,4 position, para amino. Here amino group is there. This azo group is there. Diazobenzene. It is a orange red dye is obtained. This coupling reaction is very important. So this aniline undergo coupling reaction with benzene diazonium chloride to form a orange red dye. This experimentally also for amino group we are doing the test in the lab. Thank you.